Yo, what's good? It's your bro Lo, and I'm bringing you guys another saucy trading video. We just gonna have to do a little quick midweek outlook, so I'm gonna skip all that extra commentary and let's get right into this video. So now we're gonna go ahead and start with GU. This is my I got a little problem with GU today. I'm not gonna cap because GU missed my buy limit by like 3 pips, which it's okay if a trade gets missed, but this would have been a nice trade. And I haven't taken a trade all week. I've just been waiting for the most high probable ones, and this is one that set up. It was very high probable and I missed it. So we could just go over this trade and go over the analysis of what I'm expecting this week, since I didn't give you guys a weekly outlook this week. So excuse me for that, I've been sick, sorry guys, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So looking at the daily, let's see where price is drawn to right now. So as you can see, price had came from this PD array down here. So this is basically a weekly order block that price had came from, right? So we were ultimately bullish for right now, mainly for this week, coming week right now. And I was expecting us to push up into a higher premium. Okay, so looking at this, right, looking at the daily, you can see that we came down, we took out liquidity, and now we have been having a displacement higher, and we broke structure right here. Now this is a PD array, this area, and also this area. I'll show you guys what this area is right when I scale down to another time frame, but I'm looking for a price to possibly have a little bit of reaction in here. So let's go down to the 4 hours so you guys can see this bearish order block. So you can see this is the refinement of it. This is the highest premium. This is where I think tomorrow, Thursday, is gonna have a potential reversal with high impact news and maybe possibly come back down close to weekly open, possibly. I don't know. This could be the Judas swing of this week. So if you look at the weekly open price, the weekly open price is right here, and you can see how Monday had made a low, and now we started having a displacement higher, right? Since we are coming into a premium array, a premium array, I was expecting us to potentially make the high of the week, maybe Wednesday, maybe today I was expecting the high of the week, or yesterday I was kind of expecting the high of the week, because we've been around this area, right, to potentially come back down to weekly open price and close possibly bearish from this PD array. The reason why I'm more so bearish is because when you look at DXY, right, look at DXY, you can see that DXY, let's go to the daily. So DXY, as you can see, is hovering right above this daily order block, right? It wicked into it, just only the wick. It didn't come into the open. So I'm still kind of bearish on DXY until we come into this PD array, actually the open of it, and come inside of it, and then we could potentially make the low of the week for DXY and start pushing up, maybe to take out this high right here and get back to Monday's PD array. Or we could take out Monday depending on what price wants to do. So I'm expecting us to get back to weekly open price and see what price can do from there. So basically this here, and then potentially come up back to weekly open price with the high impact news. So therefore I'm bearish on GU. That's why I want to see GU do. I do want to see GU come up into this PD array. It can just only take out this high right here, and turtle soup, and then have a displacement lower right back down to weekly open price, open, high, low, and then possibly close. That's what I'm paying attention to right now. So with today I missed this trade, so I could go over the analysis real quick. So basically, as you can see, that our weekly open price is here. Okay, we had our daily open around here. This is my daily open. ICT's true day open, daily open is after Asian range. So you can set that as your daily open, but I use this as my daily open, right? But it's still the same context, as you can see how this trade played out. So we had this open right here, and then we left Asian's highs, and then we came down and created this displacement lower, which is our Judas swing, right? Our Judas swing to go back to the opposite way. So this is basically the accumulation and the manipulation, and you can see how this manipulation, this price had came into this bullish order block, which is on the 4 hour. So the reason why I missed this trade is because I had my pending order right at this bullish order block right here, and you know, I missed the trade, but as you can see, it bounced off a weekly open price and came into this daily order block. You can see how, look, you see how this is a daily order block as well. So it wicked down into that and started having a displacement higher. So that was my context for today, to come lower, manipulate, and to at least tap into this discount and at least take out Asian ranges high, which it did, and it's close to taking out this high as well. Now what I do like is that how it's building up these highs right here to potentially run. I hope this comes down just a little bit, leave these highs and kind of ranges a little bit, so it could come in and tap into this PD array, and we could, you know, sell back down for Thursday's reversal. So that's what I'm looking for tomorrow for GU, and hopefully, you know, this could play out. Hopefully I could catch it, get a nice high probable trade, you know. Yeah, so let's go to EU. Looking at EU, I wanted to buy down here close to weekly open price, just like GU. I kind of have the same analysis. You can see that Monday made the current low of the week, and it could potentially make the high of the week Thursday reversal at this daily open order block right here. So you can see how we have this right daily order block. So this little up move right here is a daily order block, and then we also have the breaker. Let me go to the daily so you guys can see it a little bit more clear. So you can see how you have this down candle before the up move, and that broke structure right here. So now this is our breaker plus our daily order block. As you can see, this up candle before the last down move. Now I have a little small refinement with a 4 hour, and I'm expecting possibly some reaction inside of here to potentially go back down, back to weekly open, and maybe Tuesday's daily low, which is right here. You can see the daily low is right here. Now today it reacted off of that PD array right here. I wanted to see it come a little bit lower, and you can see how we took out Asians high, right? So let me show you guys why. You know, you got to understand the storyline, you got to understand what's going on. You can see how people would have possibly been trying to sell right here. Why? Because this is our last up candle before the down move. It took out liquidity right here, and then it broke structure. Okay, it created some inducement. Now we're gonna take this right here. You have to understand the storyline and what's going on for the day, you know, to actually create a high probable trade. Now understand that Asian, right? We have our daily open here. We came up. You could say this is a Judas swing, but you got to think this is Asian's high right here. London came down, created a Judas swing, came into a higher time frame PD array, right, which is our 4 hour right here, 4 hour, or it could have came lower, you know, but it came into that, rejected around that for London. Now this isn't no New York reversal, because New York had that continuation up with London. Okay, so what's the draw on liquidity right now? You think they're gonna leave Asians high right here, when the context for the day could possibly be buys, because we have that Judas swing lower below daily open price with Asian people still in profit? You think this PD array is gonna be probable? To me, it's not. You know what I mean? So I was looking for this to be ran. It was some people looking to trade this, but I was looking for this to be ran because of my context for the day. So now I'm looking for price to potentially do the same thing. Thursday reversal, potentially. We'll see what happens. So yeah, let's go to, we already did DXY. You guys kind of understand DXY. Let's do US30. I have nothing on US30 right now. All I can say is we're about to run some buy side liquidity. Yeah, which we already did. You guys see how we ran this high right here. So we took out this high. I would like to see us come into another discount before I start looking for more buys from this area based off the daily. It could be some type of reaction inside of this PD array right here, this daily order block. You can see these consecutive 4 down candles. It could be some type of reaction once it comes into there. We'll see, you know what I'm saying? But I would like to see us come down into a deeper discount, and we'll talk more about US30 once that, you know, once I start seeing more stuff, you know, play out, more data. Once I collect more data, you can see S&P is about to run this high as well. It should run this high. If it doesn't, it starts coming back down, you have to be sussed out for these lows right here. And I wouldn't really pay attention to much PD arrays. I would just start selling, but you know, you want to kind of pay attention to this high to get taken out right here. Let's look at gold real quick. So gold right now, I wanted to buy down here, but you can see that price came down into some type of discount inside of here, and you can see how price weekly open is here, right? I think what gold could be doing is creating the manipulation, the Judas swing higher to maybe come back possibly down to take out all this liquidity that has been generating right here. So what I would like to see is price maybe possibly react here, but you got to be careful with this high right here, because we didn't establish this high. I don't really think it's a protected high right now. Now you could say that we ran stops here, we came into a PD array right here, and we had this aggressive displacement lower. So it's kind of valid, but you still have to be careful, because right now this right here is bullish order flow. So you have to be careful with this high. Make sure you get enough more context. Make sure you wait for you know, more confluence and, you know, confirmations inside of this area. So that's what I'm expecting, that's what I'm looking for inside of here, and maybe I might potentially risk less even if I get enough confirmation inside of here. And I think that's it. I think this was a nice little quick midweek analysis. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and smash that thumbs up. Go ahead and share this video if you would like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. I'm out.